Okay, guys. Actually, I don't have unforgettable moment because maybe this time I would like to tell you about my experience when I was in my Islamic boarding school. I call it unforgettable moment because I met my friends. They were so kind. They were so funny. And we used to help each other in every condition, in every situation, and we often cried together because we were felt tired, yeah, like that. And when I was in my Islamic boarding school, I learned about many things such as religion, social science, and how to make organization. Even I ever been the leader of OSIS. This is my precious experience. I learned when I be the leader when I was be the leader of OSIS. I learned about how to control my attitude, to help in every situation, and I learned about how to understood my my character of my members, and we used to prepare many events well. I prepare with my members and with my partners. And before I was the leader of OSIS, I have experience. I was the chief in my class for 2 years, and I have experience. I was the chief in my complex, like Alcatania complex, like that. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your